Hey guys, today I'm here to share with you one of the things I discover when I am in a saving the day kind of situation. Yes, my husband is someone that likes to eat healthy. Yes, he eats these kinds of bread that contain nuts and bolts. Very busy looking bread, like when you look at it, there are so many nuts, brown bread and all that. He likes dry fruits, cereals that contain lots of nuts and dry fruits. But yeah, recently he went to Lidl supermarket. You have it all over Europe. And he bought this muesli, mixture of cereals, nuts, dry fruits. And he came home and he had it once and he didn't like it. And I was like, why don't you like this? It doesn't even look as busy as the ones that you normally eat. He said, I don't know, it tastes strange. And then he dumped it in the cupboard and it has been there for a while. And today I was clearing the cupboard and I saw it. And I was like, are you going to drink this or not? And he said, I'm not interested. And once he's not interested in that kind of thing, it's going to the bin because neither I nor my kids enjoy busy cereal. So I decided to, this is the cereal. And it contains lots of ingredients. I'll put the list of all the ingredients and their percentages on the screen. I don't want to throw it away, so I'm going to use it to make milk. I've said several times in my videos that I don't like chewing. But if you convert anything to a smoothie, a juice, yeah, I'll drink it up in no time. I like drinking. I prefer drinking to chewing, especially all these busy, very busy things. No, I don't like them. The way my teeth and my gum interact with hard things. Yeah, I don't like chewing. So I'm going to try to use it to make milk so that we can drink it up. I don't want to throw it away. Let's go. So I pour it into a bowl. Remember, this is 1 kilo of muesli minus 1 serving that hubby took. Pour filtered water to the same level as the muesli. If you don't have filtered water, use bottled water. Stir. And cover it for about 5 hours. I wasn't sure how long to soak it that first time. That's why I left it till 5 hours. But I guess 3 hours would have been okay. But if you're not in a hurry to enjoy this goodness, leave it for 5 hours. This is what it looks like after 5 hours. Put it in a blender. For the smoothest blend, I start with water that is just under the level of the muesli. When I get a good blend, I pour more water to get it to the consistency of whole milk or evaporated milk. The consistency is up to you really. Pour into a bowl lined with a chiffon cloth, cheesecloth or milk bag. This is my rig up because I was tired of holding it. Squeeze it out with tongs Honestly, your hands are the best for this. Your hands are the cleanest part of your body because you wash it so often. So use your hands for this part. I'm not going to show that part on camera because I don't want internet citizens that put their hands in strange places to come after me today. Today, I just want people to watch this video, click the like button, and go and try this muesli milk in peace. That said, have you liked this video yet? Have you? Have you? Yes. Today, I want people to go and try this muesli milk, then come back and testify. Here it is. Glorious. I got 3 liters of muesli milk from almost 1 kilo of muesli. The truth is that I did not expect this to give me so much milk. If I had known, I would have used half a kilo. Here's the chaff. I used it to make muesli fufu. Watch out for the video soon. I kept it in the fridge for 48 hours and it was still great. When you bring it out of the fridge, it will be separated like this. Give it a good shake and it will come back to normal. I've not tried keeping it for longer than 48 hours because we drank up all that milk in 2 days. Now, hubby has gone and stocked up on the exact muesli like it's going out of fashion. That means it's now muesli milk for us till whenever. Tiger nuts milk has been relegated to the background. I love this muesli milk because I don't feel bloated after drinking it. I love having it with puff puff. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. See you soon.